Good morning, grade threes, or good afternoon, rather. Welcome to our STEM Lockdown Digital School. It is so awesome to be back. Welcome to our class. And on this page, you will see that my email is there if you want to send me any of your work, any of your pictures, anything creative that you've done. I do hope you'll make some chicken paper plates for me and show me your little red hen. It would be really awesome to see, and then you can email it to me. And I'm going to make a big fuss. So thank you so much for coming and joining our lesson today. We are going to do some reading. Now, on this page, sorry, my throat is a bit dry. On this page, you will see this is where I'm going to post our work. So anything you send me, I'm going to put on this page to share, with your permission, of course. Today, we are going to look at some more pictures and posters about farm animals. And we're going to talk a little bit about what we are looking at. Remember yesterday we did the story about the little red hen? Well, we're going to learn some facts today. I don't know why my throat is so dry today. So as you can see, we have a poster on this page, and there's quite a few things happening in this poster. Would you like to share with me on the chat? I'll wait for you to type a few things that you see actually happening. Welcome, Amber. Welcome, Sinak. Nice to have you here. So you can see the picture in the poster is quite busy, isn't it? There's a lot happening there, and there's a lot of pictures. So can you tell me, where is the setting? What do you see? What do you see happening? What activities are taking place? You don't have to write long sentences. So we see, Sinak, you see a tractor. Do you know what a tractor does? And Amber can see children walking with the umbrella. Do you think she needs the umbrella for rain, or is there perhaps another reason she uses an umbrella on the farm? Oh, very good, Sinak. That was quick. For the sun. Very good, Amber. So the sun, it can be very hot and very strong. So she's using an umbrella to protect herself from getting a sunburn. What else is happening? Who do you think is in the picture? For example, who do you think is driving the tractor? And who do you think the little girl is waving at? Very good, Amber. You see two houses. Very good, Sinak. We see a grandmother. Well done. Grandmother waving to her granddaughter. What animals can you see in the picture? Very good, Amber. We see a cow. Well done. What else can we see? Very good. There we go. If you look in the right-hand corner, we have some chickens. And there's even a baby little chick. So what else do we see? Let's have a look. So we've got a cow, we've got some chicks, we've got some chickens. Yes, we have a duck with her babies, her ducklings. Very good. And if you look very carefully on the right-hand side at the top, oh, Amber, you're a step ahead. Well done. It is a bird. There is a bird. Sinak, very good. You see a grandfather in the tractor, a duck, a cow, some chicks, some flowers. Very good. A boy and a girl. Well done. And you know what's really nice about the sunflowers is that they make us feel that it is definitely a sunshiny day. Sunflowers love the sun. And what little creature is loving the sunflowers too? Oh, Amber, well done. You noticed that there is a vegetable garden growing some tomatoes. Well done. Very good. And there is a tree in the background. It looks like it has fruit on it, but we can't tell which fruit it is specifically, but it definitely has fruit on it. And who can tell me what little creatures are around the little sunflowers? I'll let you think about that and have a closer look. Yes, Amber, there are bushes. There are bushes along the grass, but there are also, it looks like bushes where the tractor is as well. Almost like he's growing some kind of leafy, bushy vegetable. You can see the butterfly, well done. And Ryan can see the bee, well done. Awesome. Now, tomatoes don't normally grow on trees. They grow on like creepers. If you look in the corner picture between the spinach and the pumpkin, you can see how the tomatoes grow. On the trees, if it's a round fruit, it's most likely oranges or apples. Hello, Africa. Welcome. Been waiting for you. Welcome to our class. Awesome. So what I'm going to do is we've been talking so nicely about this colorful picture. You can even hear by my voice that I've been talking quite a lot today. So I do apologize. Very good, Sinak. You noticed the sheep, but now remember, it's a baby. So what do we call a baby sheep? A kid? That is actually a very, very, very good guess. But unfortunately, it's not quite right, although it's very close. A kid is actually a baby goat. So we call a baby goat a kid. But I love your effort. Well done. Amber says she can see some flowers and a lamb. Well done. A baby sheep is a lamb. You guys are absolutely awesome. Thank you so much for joining us today. Oh, I just love it. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we are going to read some sentences. Now, I might not be able to hear you, but I'm sure there's someone around that can hear you. Or you can just practice by reading along with me. Before I read, I just want to acknowledge Sanak's notice that there is a pot on the fire. So Grandmama is cooking something very tasty up there. Okay, so I'm going to count down 3, 2, 1, and then start reading the sentence. And you can read along with me. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. We visit our grandmother on the farm. She has many animals. She grows fruit and vegetables. Shall we read it one more time? I'll go a bit slower, okay? 3, 2, 1. We visit our grandmother on the farm. She has many animals. She grows fruit and vegetables. So now that we've read the sentences, who do we visit on the farm? Can you answer that question? Who do we visit on the farm? Wow, grade 3s, you are getting really good at typing fast, especially a big word like that. And for those of you that have answered, even though I didn't see your face and you weren't able to type, because I do understand that on some of our devices, it's difficult to type. So I do know that a lot of you are there and participating. And I just want you to know that I'm proud of you as well. So who do we visit on the farm? Grandmother, our grandmother. Well done. Good job. What does she have on her farm? She has a lot of. So grandmother has a lot of what on the farm? Ooh, I got some nice suggestions coming up. Well done. She has many animals on the farm. Good job, grade 3s. Last question about the poster. What does grandmother grow on the farm? What does grandmother grow on the farm? I can hear your little fingers typing away. Well done. Well done. So what does grandmother grow on the farm? Grandmother grows. Sinak, are you still busy typing? Because I know you like to answer as well. So I'm going to give you a second. Yeah, there we go. fruit and vegetables. And both suggestions are spelt correctly. Give yourself 5 smiley faces for that. Well done. Good job. And Africa, if you want to type your answers in and you take a bit of time, you must just let me know and I'll wait for you as well. Welcome, Blessing. Nice to have you. Awesome to have you join our class. Oh, look at this colorful poster. My, oh my. This reminds me of a little farm in Port Elizabeth. It's called Homely Farms. It looks something just like that. Now, let's see. I might not be able to see you point, but you can just tell me yes or no. Can you see where the cow is? Very good. I see that Amber has been to a farm. Then you can imagine it in your head what it's really like. So you can all see the cow. What is happening to the cow? What is going on there? Okay, so you can see a chair behind grandma or grandpa. I'm not quite sure. Oh, are you talking about the first picture, maybe? Okay, so a lot of you can definitely see the cows. What is being done by the one cow? What is Grandpa doing? Do you know? Yes, the cows do eat hay. They seem to like it, don't they? It's okay, Africa. You still answered. And I'm actually glad you mentioned that because it is quite hidden. The chair was quite hidden behind Grandma. So I'm glad you noticed it. Sometimes she needs to sit down while she's cooking. Excellent. Good job. That is a beautiful sentence, Amber. Amber says or suggests the farmer is milking the cow. So well done. Let's give her a clap. That is a very good sentence. Sanak, you are absolutely right. Grandpa is getting milk from the cow. Well done. Now, let's see if we can see or find a... Can we find a donkey? Can you find the donkey? Yes. And do you know what sound a donkey makes? He goes, hee-haw, hee-haw. And the cow goes, moo, moo. Yes, well done. Well done. Good job. And can we find the, let's have a look here. Oh, can you find the rooster? Now remember, a rooster is not the same as a chicken because a rooster is a boy chicken. You are absolutely right, Amber. The donkey is standing by the children. Well done. I love your sentences. They are so nicely written. So someone mentioned that they can see a dog chasing a goose. Oh, there, I can see it now. Oh, that goose looks really angry, doesn't he? Yes, we have the rooster, and he goes, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. And you can see him, if you look at the hen house, you can see him right on the top, telling everybody to wake up. Can we find a goat? Can you see the goat? Now, goat is also similar to a sheep's sound. Maybe just a different note, because a goat also goes similar to a sheep. But I think we can start. Who can say, maybe, I don't know if you can type it in words. How can we maybe say the sound of a goat is different to a sheep? I think you guys would be better at sound than I would. Do you think you can help teacher with that? Ah, yes, Amber, I do see. And Africa notices a man in the background riding a horse. Very good. So is it meh? Ah, you just gave me an idea, Sinak. You are right. A sheep starts with a B, a meh, and a goat with a M. Meh. Well done. Good job. So now I am sure you have found most of the farm animals, and we have the words on the side there. We have cow, horse, donkey, sheep, goat, duck, and then we have a goose, a pig, a chicken, and a dog. Who can tell me what where is it now? I can't see. Oh, there it is. What is the duck doing? Not the goose. Remember, a goose is much, much bigger than a duck. What is the duck doing? And Amber tells us she can see the pig. He's right in the front of the frame. I think he's running away from the goose, isn't he? They're chasing the poor piggy. Oh, shame. So who knows what the duck is doing? He found something fun to do. I see, Sinak, you're counting. Are you counting the animals? You are welcome to share with me whatever you see in the picture that you find interesting, or that you noticed that we haven't said yet, or we didn't notice. There we go. The duck is busy swimming in that big tub of water, swimming away, looking very happy, flapping its wings. Don't the animals and the children all look so happy? Lots of smiles, being outside in the sunshine and the fresh air. It looks like so much fun. So now we are going to practice some sounds. The same sound for fun. So remember, when you go, it's like you're blowing air through the front of your teeth and through your lips. You're just going like you're going to blow out candles. Okay, so let's say the following words. Farm is farm. It kind of tickles your lip, doesn't it? Farm. The next one is fun. Fun. Then we have fan. So we go fan. Then we have fat. So we go fat. Let's try one more time. Farm. Fan. Fan. Fat. Were you able to do it? Did it tickle your lip just a little bit? Well done. Farm, fan, fat, fun. And far is also another word. Well done, Sinak. Well done. Now, these are the sounds you're going to practice at home after the lesson. I also have a worksheet where you can practice writing the F letter and some of these words. So today we're going to learn about the life cycle of a chicken. Well done. Funny also starts with. So let's look at the picture. What do you think comes first? The chicken or the egg? The egg. And then so the chicken lays an egg. Very good. The egg cracks. And what is peeping out of this cracked egg? Well done. Very good. I've got some nice suggestions coming up. Awesome. Well done. So we have the egg and then we have the egg cracking. That's right. Well done, grade 3s. We have a chick cracking its way out of the eggshell. And then we have, very good, we have a chick out of the shell, getting a little bit bigger. And then the chick becomes a, what does the chick become? Very good. It becomes a mommy or daddy chicken. Very good. Well done. This is called a life cycle because it keeps going in the same circle. The chicken lays an egg. The egg hatches a chick. A chick grows up to be a chicken, and then it starts all over again. And because it goes round and round in the same order, we call it a life cycle. So the life cycle of a chicken. I'm going to read a little text about this. These are the questions we're going to talk about. We're going to find out why it's called a life cycle. We're going to find out how the baby chick grows in the egg and gets out. We're also going to find out whether a hen or a rooster lays a new egg, although you probably know. And then we're going to find out and ask a curious question. do people hatch from eggs? So this is our text. Chickens are domestic or farm birds. Domestic simply means that they are not wild. Okay, they're not wild like a lion or like a buck. They are domestic. It's the opposite of wild. So chickens are domestic or farm birds. The male chicken, that's the boy, is called a rooster. Now the rooster is larger and more brightly colored than the female. So they are much prettier than the girl. The female is called a hen. So the girl chicken is called a hen. Boy is a rooster, girl is a hen. Baby chickens are called chicks. They have fluffy yellow feathers. And then when they grow older, the feathers change from yellow to brown. The hen, that's the girl chicken, lays eggs. Some eggs have a baby chick growing inside of them. Did you know that a hen can lay up to 300 eggs a year? My, isn't that a lot of eggs? An adult chicken has a comb on the head. If you look at the previous picture, do you see where it points to the top of the rooster and the hen as well? That piece on top of its head, that's called a comb. And then where you would think a chin would be, that is called the wattle. So an adult chicken has a comb on the head. We remember it because we think we comb our hair. So it just reminds us that how we can remember it. And 2 wattles, those are the little bags under the neck. Okay. The male, that's the boy chicken, the rooster, has a larger comb. So he has a much bigger comb and larger wattles. So he's got much bigger bags under his beak than the female. Okay. Now, this is what they eat. Chickens eat grains. That's like mealies and little pieces of barley and wheat. So they're all little grains that they eat. They like insects as well. They eat seeds. They eat snails, which is quite good because then we don't have the snails eating all the farmers' vegetables. They eat slugs. Now, slugs are snails, but they don't have the house or shell on their back. And they eat worms. Isn't that interesting? Now, let's see what you remember. Which is larger, the rooster, which is the male or the boy, or the hen, the female, the girl? Which is larger, the rooster or the hen? Well done. Good job. Good job, Sinak. Good answer. Well done. Good effort, Amber. Definitely good effort. The rooster is always larger than the hen. The boy is always bigger than the girl. Okay, because they protect the families in nature. So the rooster is larger than the hen. What is the name for the fleshy part on top of a chicken's head? Is it called a crown or a comb? So that piece on top of the chicken's head that I was telling you about, is it called a crown or is it called a comb? Well done. Very good. Let's see how we are doing. It is called a comb. Good job. Good job. Do you remember how many eggs a hen can lay in a year? Ooh, some very, very good answers here. Good job. Good job. Well done, grade 3s. A chicken can lay, or a hen can lay 300 eggs in a year. Can you tell me what chickens eat? Just maybe 2 things that they eat. What do they like to eat? Very good. Sanak, that's a good answer. Very good, Amber. Very good. I see some answers for number 1. That's correct. As well, the comb. For number 2, sorry. So we've got lots of suggestions. We've got slugs. We've got worms. So you can write any 2. It can be slugs, seeds, snails, insects, worms. They would all be right. Well done. Good job. Very good, Blessing. Nicely done. I'm so proud of you guys. You are working so hard today. So this is your homework. I have put the worksheet up. So oh, sorry, I went a bit fast there. This is what it looks like. You're going to practice your F sounds, and then you're going to write the letter F in capital and in small. You can choose, very good, Sinak, they also eat grasshoppers. You can choose to draw 2 objects that begin with the letter F. For example, if you want to draw a fan, you write the word fan in the bottom, and in the block you draw a picture of a fan. You can email it to me and I can look at your work and make a big fuss. Oh dear, I don't know what's going on with my fingers today. So yeah, you can watch on this link, the little red hen. That is the story we did yesterday. And I've also put a picture, a fun picture for you to do, to color in according to the numbers. You're welcome to take a photo of it and send it to me as well. I would love to see your pictures. Now remember, on yesterday's PowerPoint, we also did the little red hen, and I did give you a fun activity you could do. So if you still want to do that during this week, make a chicken, a little red hen paper plate face, you can. And you're welcome to send me any of these pictures. We are going to sing this week. Unfortunately, we did run out of a bit of time today, but we are going to sing. And I think you know what song we're going to sing. This is my email address, sheenamelody@gmail.com, that you can send any of your work, your pictures, your worksheets to me, your writing. I would love to see it. and I am so glad you were able to join us today. I had such a lovely day. Unfortunately, it has come to the end of our lesson, but I just want to say thank you so much for joining me. It was awesome to have you here. I'm so proud of all of you. You get lots and lots of smiley faces from me today and a big air hug. I hope you will be back tomorrow, same time, same place, and I look forward to seeing you then. Have a great afternoon, grade threes. Bye.